warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, viewers. I am Ira Khoirun Niha. Today, in Wednesday, 14 October 2019, happy gathering with us in BBC program, which will provide you with the real news and which is taken factually and actually, either in international and national. I will accompany you about 5 minutes with many kind of information. Well, let's begin the news today. This time, we will begin covering the news of traffic jam, which often becomes a major problem for big cities in Indonesia, including the capital city.
On a typical day, the volume of vehicles is increasing, especially during the long weekend. Junction Orchard is many parts of Jakarta, and Kota Casablanca has its wards. It is also followed by heavy rain that flushes the area and the surroundings starting from this afternoon at 4 p.m. That affect the condition to get worse. Falls in the west part of Jakarta and already causes flood. It's flood to a height of 13 centimeters and disrupt the road users. It can be dangerous especially for motorcycle riders. The police officers are going down to help with the traffic, and that was the news for this evening.
Well, viewers, that all the news make it useful for your viewers. Wassalamualaikum.